Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name is Chloe and today I'm going to give you a tour around this beautiful brand new Q5 Sport. What we have in stock, it is a 2-litre diesel engine and is finished in the stunning Mythos Black colour. At the front of the vehicle we have got the LED headlights with the LED tail lights, making sure you have the visibility that you need on every journey. With a beautiful aluminium grille. And as we turn to the side of the vehicle, we have got the stunning 18-inch 5 twin-spoke dynamic design alloy wheels, which do give off the finishing touch to the car. And as we move up, we've got the exterior mirrors. These are electrically folding, heated and with the auto dimming function. With the aluminium roof rails, making this SUV a very practical one for any family days out. And as it is a brand new Audi vehicle, you will receive 3 years warranty. This includes MOT cover, key cover and roadside assistance too, which is really handy. To the rear end of the vehicle, we've got the rear parking sensors, but going into the boot now on this SUV, as you can see, it is a very practical and very generous size in the boot, and we've got a retractable luggage cover with a powered operated tailgate, so one click of the button, the boot will come down for you. Your passengers will be able to travel in the maximum comfort and style in the back, and in the front, the full leather sport seats continues. We've got the front sport seats, and as we turn around, we've got the 3-sport multifunctional steering wheel, which is the perfect partner in this combination. With the inlays which surround the fully touchscreen MMI navigation system in the centre, here is where you'll find all your in-car entertainment and all your car settings if you do desire to change any of those. This includes DAB digital radio, media player, telephone interface, so you'll be able to connect up and ring people hands-free, and also the sat-nav, so it'll get you to wherever you need to be. This Q5 also comes with the option of Apple CarPlay, so you'll be able to easily and safely connect your mobile phone up. Further down, we have got the 3-zone climate control. Here is where you'll be able to change both sides of the temperature on each side of the car. The rear temperature also alongside with the heated seats option too. We have got the Audi Drive Select, so this enables the driver to put their car into whatever mode they would like to drive in. Parking up this SUV has never been so easy with a rear view camera, so you'll be able to get in all them tight spaces. We've got the Tiptronic gearbox with the Electromechanical parking brake. And as for the steering, we've got the cruise control with the automatic rain sensors and the automatic headlights too. But moving on to Audi's virtual cockpit is where the driver will be able to select whatever they would like to view right in front of them. This includes DAB digital radio, media and telephone interface, along with the sat-nav, and you can also change the size of the dials if you desire to. So if you would like to know any more information about this stunning vehicle, do not hesitate to contact us on 01254 868 216. Thank you for watching.